What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This SPX/SPY strategy helps me predict the direction price is going every single day. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance, and just like all my other titles, this is not clickbait. Go ahead and hit that bell and sub button though, because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel, as well as on TikTok at least 3 times a week during New York session. Make sure to follow me on TikTok, it just popped up on the screen. We also have a free signal room, free Telegram, first link in the description. This is how we did last week. Last week we caught a total of 134,787 pips. 107,393 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. All you have to do is scroll to this date right here, October 29th, and you'll see exactly this. Monday, we got 4,080 pips. Tuesday, 1,200. Wednesday, 46,607. Thursday, 73,500. And then Friday, 9,400 pips. End of the week, 11-0, giving us a 100% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, time the trade was posted, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. And then every Sunday I drop the Sunday chart analysis going over what I see price not just doing Monday and Tuesday, but for the entire week. If you watch the Sunday chart analysis that Sunday, I literally predicted the indices doing exactly what they did the entire week. Now, this is how we're doing on a longer term basis. This is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses, catching 105,389 pips. August, we went 45 wins, 7 losses, catching 219,708. And in September last month, we caught 27 wins, 4 losses, giving us 16,634 pips caught. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate, catching a total of 341,731 pips, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced plays signal room. Go ahead and check that out. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. So before we break this down, first thing I want to point out is these trades and how long I've been going for sells. You see right here, this was Thursday the 19th of October, this was Friday the 20th, this was Monday the 23rd, and then of course this was Wednesday, Thursday going into Friday last week. So one thing I want to show you is not only how I've been breaking this down every day during the London session live streams, but you see I've been calling the sells. I called the sell on that Friday, October 20th. All TPs got hit. We caught 2,900 pips. Then I called that sell on Monday the 23rd. All TPs got hit. We caught 3,500. Then on Wednesday, I called another sell. All TPs getting hit, caught 5,400 pips. And then Thursday, I called another sell in the free signal room, catching 9,700 on the first entry, 3,200 on the second entry, and then hitting the final TP on Friday the 27th, catching 9,000 on the 27th. And you can literally see this right here. So on Wednesday, I held that trade Wednesday into Thursday into Friday, giving us a huge 1 to 9 risk to reward. So that means whatever I risked, I made 9 times that amount. So I risked $100, I made $900. If I risked $1,000, I made $9,000 off this one trade alone. And then the position I took Thursday into Friday, I caught 3, almost 4 times my risk, right? So again, I'm about to break down exactly how I determined to only go for sells and not go for buys, even when price retraced, and how you can do the exact same thing. So the first thing you want to do, no matter if you're scalping, swing trading, intraday trading, I know a lot of y'all not going to want to hear this, but hey, it is what it is. You got to start off on the daily time frame. Again, start off. Keyword is start off. You do not trade and stay on the daily, but you have to start off on the daily so you can identify the trend. All right, the trend you're not going to be able to find on a smaller time frame until it's a little too late. You got to understand how price moves and how price works. Price moves on a day by day, week by week, month by month basis. So instead of just understanding what price has done the past 2 hours, we need to know what price has been doing for the day, the week, last week, the month, and the quarter. Because if we look at this downtrend right here, when did this downtrend begin? This downtrend began in July, and we're all the way in October. That's a whole 3 months. And there was a few times where price shot up. So again, if you're looking on smaller time frames, you got messed up a few times around here, right? So now that we identify the trend and we see that we are bearish, what should we be looking for? We should only be looking for sells. We had this double bottom here rejecting the uptrend, and then we see price broke down and made a lower low, taking out the lows and the high to the left. If you don't understand how to identify trends and trend reversals, pause this video and watch this one right here. This is going to break down exactly how to do so, because again, a lot of y'all be skipping steps. You cannot trade long-term and efficiently and profitably if you do not understand what you're looking at and what's going on the charts. So this was that Thursday 2 weeks ago, and then again that Friday we went for that sell. So why did I go for the sell? Because I see that we're bearish. So no matter what price is doing, we're only going for sells. Why are we only going for sells? Because we can see here price is going down way more than it's going up. So I'm really going to take a smaller risk going for a buy, because you want to be impatient and not wait for the actual move. I don't know about you, but I'd rather go for the full move, because if you actually catch a lower low instead of a lower high, you'll catch not only more pips, but you have a higher likelihood of price going your way, and then you'll be able to catch those huge moves like we just showed you. So now that I know that we're looking for sells, all I have to do is mark off my key price levels. We have this clear low made. So following the rules of the downtrend, if you watch that video, what has to come in order for the downtrend to continue? A lower low. So since I know that we're overall bearish, I'm only looking for sell setups, I got to mark my key price levels off and look for resistance levels to enter sells on. And that's exactly what we did going into Wednesday. So after price retrace making that lower high on Tuesday, which we can see right here, price treating this level clearly as a support. Price treating this level clearly as a support. And since price is treating this level as support, I do not want to enter a sell-off of support. I want to wait for price to break below it and start trading as resistance. So all I had to do is patiently wait for price to do that. You see? So once price broke below that level, that's when I called the signal out. It did one more retest, and then after that, as we can see, price proceeded to tank down, right? So after price hit my next key price level, you see how I continue to break down? You see how each time it hits these levels, it retests and treats as resistance. Why is it breaking these levels and treating as resistance? Because again, I'm not catching a reversal. I'm following the flow of price. So if price is bearish if price has been bearish for 3 months, like we saw in the daily time frame, what do you think price is going to continue to do this week until the trend is broken? Continue to tank down way more than it went up. Right? So not only was I able to hold my position until Wednesday, but the next day, literally off the retest, I was able to enter a whole nother sell position and hold that Thursday into Friday, the end of the week, right? It's literally that simple. You want to enter sells off resistance, enter buys off support. And as you can see, when we go back to the daily time frame, this was that Tuesday going into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we literally caught the entire lower low. We caught 3 daily candlesticks in a row, right? And then when we go on my marked up chart, you can see exactly that. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal room, man. If you're interested in how to mark up these levels, go ahead and hit the links in the description. I do one-on-one sessions. I do have the playbook course. The one-on-one session comes with access to the advanced play signal room. What comes with the advanced play signal room? I can show you better than I can tell you. You get every signal called for that day. The free signal room only gets 25% of the signals called for the day. And then we have exclusive live streams during New York session, during the news events. Just like the London session live, if you missed them, they're recorded and posted in here, so you have a chance to watch them when you are free. In fact, you have over 400, almost 500 videos of daily chart analysis and live streams, even from last year when the playbook began. All right. And just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room every Sunday, I do that every day during New York session for the members. I call it the New York price watch list. We trade Tokyo exclusively with the members, London session on YouTube, and of course New York. So I go over the trades taken during Tokyo session, London session, and possible subjects going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys. I don't just say we're looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price levels, look for entries and exits at. All right. Then we have the pinned messages, like the account size can make sure you're taking trades your account can handle. Then we also have the student member group chat. That way you can interact and send results and share results with other students and members. So all that is a separate thing, but all that is included in the one-on-one sessions. And then the one-on-one sessions, you also get 2 sessions a week that are an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life. So it's a huge investment. If you're interested in that, links are in the description. And if you want to contact me, directly, DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. I respond to all messages, and I'll see y'all the next time I'm live or the next time I post a video. Peace. We out.